Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Well, this video might be a little shaky. I don't have my gimbal. We've got a very ominous thunderstorm just lurking offshore. Kind of heading my direction here. My finger's getting in front of the camera there. Had quite the lightning show earlier this morning. That surf is going to be getting a little rougher. That water is really churned up. Funky brown color. That's kind of because of the color of the sky. It's not really brown. It's just a very, very dark green. I'm going to attempt to do a little live feed here as soon as I finish recording this. I just wanted to give you a look at what I'm looking at this morning. I've been out here since about 5:30. Hit that share button. Everybody see what it looks like. These clouds are getting some interesting colors in them. Kind of a pinkish hue right now. By the way, I'm down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach at Vanderbilt Beach Park. The nasty weather's not chasing everybody away. Little breeze starting to kick in. Alright, hit that share button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Hey, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Stay strong. Tally ho, everyone, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb.